Coffee, coffee, shoppy, shoppy. Hi friends, I am going to get my coffee. Now, today we are going to make a mango plucking tool. Now I am going to take a
tool.
This is a water bottle. I'm going to cut here. This project we need a bottle, a sketch pen and a nut. First we should take the bottle and draw a rectangle using a marker pen. This should go. Do you know why did I take this square? Because it will open, the mango will fall in, then the stem will stuck here. Then we can easily pull out. This is the door. Now we'll cut this portion out. Now you can see that I made a square here. Look. And I cut it. You don't have to cut here. This is the PVC pipe. Now I'm going to fix this bottle into this PVC pipe. Put it slowly in. Tie this rope.
Come on.
Now, this is very tight and this is, now it will not come out. Now we will go to mango hunting or mango plucking. I'm going to pluck that. Come on, come on, come on. Get out. Now I'm going to put I got the first mango. First mango. That's it. Now let's take one more. Now I see a big mango there. I can see big door. Let's plug that. I can see a big mango there. Plugging it out. Oh man. Oh, and yay! I got the second mango. No, nothing. This is green and this is yellow. There is small one and there is big one. Which did you like in my mango plucking activity? Hi, do you like this mango plucking tool? Yes or no? Yeah. Yes, now. If you like, then go on the subscribe button and ring the bell and also subscribe. And do you want to do this activity? then you can do with your parents by asking them. In next episode, I am going to show you next activity. Bye bye friends. Thank you for watching.